بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Inshallah, we'll start from lesson number 16, and then if we have time, we'll take the balance from there. Yeah, we'll continue from there. So first, before starting lesson number 16 here, it's going to be little different compared to what we studied. Whatever we kept pending from the previous is going to be be a completion. So there's a Sadis Ashar 16th lesson. We studied singular, dual, and plural when it comes to masculine and feminine. For example, mu'minun masculine. Okay, feminine mu'minatun. Okay, so mu'minun mu'minatun. If you want to make any word in Arabic, you just add alif and nun. See, mu'minun mu'minani, two believers. Mu'minatun mu'minatani, just like that. Qalamun qalamani, baytun baytani, sayyaratun sayyaratani. Any word you add alif and nun, it becomes dual. Then, okay, when it comes to the plural, mu'minun mu'minani, mu'minun, you add waw and nun, mu'minun. This is sound plural. Okay, we studied a little bit from broken plural, right? That is totally different. Mu'minatun, mu'minatani, and mu'minatun. So mu'minatun, the difference is the dual you add alif and nun. Mu'minatun, after at the ending of the ta, you add alif and nun, it becomes mu'minatun. Sorry, mu'minatani. But when it comes to mu'minatun, what happens is the singular, you put the alif before the ta. Say mu'mina, and then the alif after that the ta. So what happens is the small ta becomes the big ta. It becomes mu'minatun. Okay. Yeah. So mudarrisun, mudarrisani, mudarrisuna, mudarrisatun, mudarrisatani, mudarrisatun. And we studied huwa, huma, hum, here, huma, hunna. Right? And we took some example. He is a teacher. She is a teacher. Huma mudarrisani, huma mudarrisatani. Right? So this one is studied. هو حامد هما هي فاطمة هما حامد ومحمد dual plural and masculine and feminine. So and then we studied here, we stopped somewhere here. We said huwa has another meaning, right? It gives the meaning of it. So we say huwa qalam, it is a pen. And we say it is a car, here sayyara. If you want to say
we can say hada qalam also, right?
Yeah, but there's a total different meaning. Hada means this.
This. Okay.
Yeah, huwa means it. You understand?
It huwa we can use he also, right?
Yeah, huwa. Yeah, huwa here. Huwa has two meaning. Huwa means he, and the other one means it.
It.
Here also has two meaning. One is he, she, and the other one
it.
It. Huma also. Yeah, huma also we use for both, like rational, like human being, and irrational. And then huma kitabani, they are two books. You understand? Kitab, you add alif and nun, kitabani. Kalam, kalamani. Bayt, baytani. If you want to say two, they are two cars. How do you say?
Huma sayyaratani.
Yeah, huma sayyaratani. They are two tables. What do you say?
Huma maktabatun.
Yeah, maktabatun means library. Okay, it's in table. Table means maktab. It's a two table. Yeah, two tables. They are two tables. How do you say?
Maktabu.
Maktabani. You had alif and nun.
Maktabani. Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to say there are two libraries, how do you say?
Maktabatani.
Yeah, maktabatani. Any word you put alif and nun, it becomes dual.
Dual.
Okay. So here huwa qalam, it is a pen. Here sayyara, it is a car. Okay. So if you want to say they are two pens, how do you say?
Ma kalamani.
Ma kalamani. And if you want to say they are two cars, how do you say?
Ma sayyaratani.
Ma sayyaratani. Now, when it comes to the plural of irrational, we studied, like we can say huwa mudarris, huma mudarrisani, hum mudarrisuna. We use hum for the plural, right? There is a rational, but we don't use whom for irrational. For example, the plural of qalam is aqlam. Aqlam is pens. So we don't say
Qalam.
whom aqlam. You understand?
Hmm.
Yeah, we studied that one. But now today we are going to study. Then what will we use instead of whom? We use here. You understand? The plural of irrational. If it is plural, if you want to say they use here. It has here has then three meaning. One is she, and the other one it, and the other one they, for irrational, not for rational, irrational. Here
Irrational.
akalam. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. As a sayyara, here sayyara, it is a
It's
car. Yeah.
Kalamun,
Hmm.
Kalamani, Kalamun. It's not Kalamun.
No, that is for rational only. Even
Again.
yeah, say, plural we studied like one is sound plural and the other one broken plural.
Okay.
Yeah, just like even in English, we say books, tables, so I say houses. But when it comes to the broken plural in English, for example, man, men, the man becomes men.
I
You
mean,
understand? Yeah.
yeah.
So woman, women, just like that.
Okay.
Totally different. Rather than adding s, totally the word changes. Just like that, even here Muslimuna, mu'minuna, that is sound plural, the same pattern. It comes totally changes in a different pattern. There is broken plural. We studied little, but I think you forgot. Inshallah, we'll try to revise that one. It will come in this lesson sometime, I think. Yeah. So this is understood, right? Here
Yes.
is used this meaning. So here sayyara, it is a car. When it comes to singular, it gives the meaning it. Okay. So huma sayyaratani, they are cars. If you want to say they are cars, more than two. Sayyara, plural, just like mu'mina, mu'minatun, muslimatun, just like that, sayyaratun. The plural of sayyara is sayyaratun, right? Yeah, but we don't use hunna. Hunna is for rational, human being only. Human being, rational stuff. Yeah. Then what do you think we will use for this one? Plural.
Here.
Yeah, here. Understood.
Sayyara.
Yes, sayyaratun. They are cars. So this is the lesson will come in the 16th lesson of Medina book. And then we studied Ismul Ishar, the same rule. We use hada, that means this. And we use hadihi, that also means this. So hada is masculine, hadihi is feminine. And we studied dhalika, means that. Tilka, also that. Dhalika is for masculine, tilka is for feminine. And then we studied haulai, means these. The plural of this is these. So there is masculine or plural, we say haulai, these. And we studied the plural of dhalika and tilka, that is those, ulaika. That, plural of that is those. Dhalika, tilka, it has different. Dhalika is masculine, tilka is feminine. But ulaika for both masculine and feminine. We took some example here. For example, hada and hadihi, this. Both of them are this. We say, and the haulai, these. We'll take example. Hada means this is a teacher. We are talking about the rational human being now. Okay, if you want to say this is a teacher for female, how do you say?
هذه مدرسة.
Sorry?
هذه مدرسة.
Yeah, هذه مدرسة. Okay, we didn't take the dual of هذا, and we studied the plural. Okay, is it, if you want to say these are teachers, how do you say? Masculine, please.
هؤلاء مدرسات.
Yeah, هؤلاء مدرسات is feminine. Okay, if you want to say masculine, that is correct. Feminine.
هؤلاء
Hmm.
مدرسات.
Yeah, there is female teachers.
Female. Okay.
Masculine, yeah.
هؤلاء مدرسون.
Yeah, هؤلاء
مدرسون.
مدرسون. Yeah, هؤلاء مدرسون masculine, هؤلاء مدرسات feminine. This is clear. So this is rational. Okay. And now we are going to take the hada and hadihi for irrational. Okay, so we use hada for bait. This is a house. It's irrational. You say this is a house. If it is feminine, you say hadihi sayyara. This is a car. Okay, the same meaning but different word. Hada, hadihi. But if you want to say plural, we don't say the plural of bait is buyut. Bait is one house. Two house, what do you say? Baitani. Baitun, baitani. You add alif and noon, it becomes dual. Baitun, baitani. But the plural of bait is buyut. Broken plural. Buyut means houses. So haulai houses. Haulai buyut. These are buyut. These are houses. You don't use haulai. Just like hum and hunne is only for rational, even haulai for rational, not for irrational. Then what do you think irrational will come? If you want to say these are houses, what do you think? The same.
Yeah. Buyut.
Yeah, but here in that one, pronouns, but you have to take from out of these three.
Haula. Haula.
Yeah, you can use haulai plural, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in the huwa, huma, yeah, we'll come to that one. Huwa, huma, hum, here, huma, hunne. In that six pronouns, we used here for the plural of irrational. Just like that, out of these three, hada, hadihi, haulai, you have to use the feminine of something. Yeah,
Hadihi.
hadihi, yeah. So you say hadihi buyut. These are houses. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, you don't use haulai. Haulai is for rational. Just like that. These are cars. How do you say?
Hadihi sayyara.
Yeah, you don't say haulai sayyaratun. You say hadihi sayyaratun. Is clear? Yeah, I'll send this one. You can just revise a little bit, but the exercise is going to come in the book. So when you read, you'll become more familiar, inshallah. So Ismail Shara, we studied dhalika and tilka. Dhalika means that, tilka means also that. Dhalika is masculine, tilka is feminine. And the plural of that is those. In English, we say ulaika. Dhalika, tilka, ulaika. Ulaika for masculine and feminine. And we took example, dhalika mudarris, that is a teacher. If you want to say that is a teacher, but female, what do you say?
Tilka mudarrisatun.
Yeah, tilka mudarrisatun. The plural, you say those are teachers, masculine, what do you say?
Ulaika mudarris.
Yeah, ulaika.
Masculine. Mudarrisun.
Yeah, mudarrisuna, ulaika mudarrisuna. If you want to say those are teachers, female.
Ulaika mudarrisat.
Yeah, ulaika mudarrisatun. So this is rational, you know, it is clear. You use ulaika for the plural. But when it comes to irrational, okay, dhalika that, masculine, tilka that, feminine. Ulaika, masculine, feminine, those. Yeah. So dhalika bait, you say that is the house. Dhalika bait. And if you say tilka sayyara, that is a car. Dhalika masculine, bait is masculine. Sayyara is feminine, you say tilka sayyara. If you want to say those are houses, the plural of bait, buyut. How do you don't use ulaika. Then what do you think they will use?
Tilka buyut.
Yeah, tilka buyut. Right? And those are cars.
Tilka sayyara.
Tilka sayyaratun. So the rule is very simple. You use the singular feminine form for the plural of irrational. Yeah, understood. So yeah, this is one of the main rule. It is repeated in so many places. Next we will study the adjective. It will come over there also. We studied the adjective and not. And not means adjective. For example, al-kitab jadidun means the book is new. It's not, it's just a sentence, nominal sentence. Okay, the book is new. But if you want to say a new book, just an adjective. Yeah, kitabun is a kitabun jadidun. Okay, a new book. If you want to say the new book, how do you say? Yeah, you say al-kitabu al-jadidu. You add alif lam to both. Yeah, so the new book. So the rule, there are four main rules. Rules means like four main thing that to be, matching with the adjective and the noun. One is definite and indefinite. For example, kitabun is indefinite without alif lam. So it takes tanween, right? Kitabun. Jadidun, adjective also should take tanween form, like indefinite form without alif lam. Okay, so if it takes al definite, al kitabu, adjective also takes al. You say al jadidu, al kitabul jadidu, the new book. So this is the first one. We should consider definite and indefinite should match in adjective and noun. The second one, take this one for example. As-sa'atu maksura. As-sa'a means the watch. Maksura means broken. The watch is broken. Okay, if you want to say the broken watch, or you can say in two ways. One is a broken watch or the broken watch. Can you say one? A broken watch. Sa'atun, you say maksuratun. Yeah, why? Sa'atun, feminine, maksuratun also should be feminine. Understand? Okay, a broken watch. And you say as-sa'atu al-maksuratu. You add alif lam, it becomes as-sa'a al-maksura. The broken watch. So second one, it should match with the gender. If the noun is masculine, it should be masculine. If the sa'a is feminine, taking ta al-marbuta, the adjective maksura is also feminine. Understand? Taking ta al-marbuta. Third one. There are altogether four. The third one. So here al-kalamul maksuru. Al-kalam, the pen, al-maksuru. Al-kalamul maksuru ala al-maktabil jadidi. What's the meaning?
The broken pen
Mm.
of the new tab.
Yeah, on the new table. Yeah. So here al-kalamul maksur, the broken pen. Al-maktabil jadid, the new table. So here the third one, it should match the case also. For example, if it is marfu, marfu, mansub, mansub, majroor, majroor. For example, see al-kalamu ending with dhamma, adjective also end with dhamma, al-maksuru. Al-maktabi ending with kasra, majroor, al-jadidi ending with kasra. So it should be majroor, both of them. So the third one is the case. The ending should match. If it's mansub, mansub, marfu, marfu, majroor, majroor. The last one, yeah, can you read?
Talibatu, Talibatu, Jududu, Alka, Talibatani, Al Kadimatani.
Yeah, meaning?
The, the new students
Mm.
in front of the
Yeah, khalfum is behind.
behind the
Mm.
old students.
Yeah, behind the two old students. Taliban, yeah, Tani, Kadima, Tani. Alif Noon. You see. So there's another word, Khalfa, you say Wara, Wara also behind. Okay. Yeah, Wara is a Wara al Masjid, behind the masjid. I think generally the Arabs use the word Wara. Khalfa very less, but in our school, in our university, we use Khalfa a lot. But most of the Arabs they use Wara. Yeah, so the new students are behind the two old students. So what do you think here? The fourth one, at-talibat al-judud. At-talibat is plural, the students. So adjective also to be plural. Al-judud is plural. So jadid is singular, judud is plural. At-talibatul judud. The new students.
Adjective will also be
Yeah, adjective should be plural. Yeah, when it comes to this one, it should follow the number. We will take the other one. At-talibatani means two students. Al-qadimatani, two old students. Al-qadimatani means old, two old. So here the number. So if the noun is singular, adjective is singular. If the noun is dual, the adjective is dual. If the noun is plural, the adjective is plural. So the fourth one, it should match with the number. You understand? Yeah. Here, in fact, we studied adjective, so it's a repetition, in fact. And we're studying this one because there's a reason. Okay. So here, an-na'at wal-man'ud. An-na'at means adjective. Al-man'ud means the noun that that is, for that only we use the adjective that way. So for here we took some example. Kitabun jadidun, which is not, which is al-man'ud. Yeah.
and now kitabun now.
No. Kitab is not adjective, right? Na'at means adjective. Kitab is adjective.
Now
Hmm?
now mean noun.
Yeah, and na'at means adjective.
Now. So jadid is adjective.
Yeah. Which is al-man'ud? Kitab. So, and na'at, there is another word for adjective, sifa. Sifa, sifa is kind of description, you understand? So, sifa means also adjective. Yeah, this is al-kitabul jadid. Ayyuhuma na'at wa ayyuhuma man'ud. Ayyuhuma means which of them. Yeah. مرة أخرى ما سمعت.
جديد now
Mm.
الكتاب.
Yeah. نعم. ساعة مكسورة. A broken, which is adjective, and the other one. Yeah, مكسورة adjective, and the one. Yeah. المكتب الجديد, which is adjective and which is the other one. Sorry? Yeah. So here الطالبتان القديمتان أيهما النعت وأيهما المنعوت. Again? Yeah, طالبتان is what? Yeah. And القديمتان. Yeah. You know the word I means which. Okay. I ask here, ayyuhuma. You know, huma is for dual. Huwa, huma, right? So because there are two words, so I'm asking ayyuhuma, which of them? For example, see, if you want to ask, like, there are so many students, okay, so many friends of me, ayyuhum Muhammad. Among them, among those people, so you're asking somebody, who is Muhammad? How do you ask? Ayyuhum Muhammad. You understand? Yeah. So let's say you go to your office, there are so many newcomers. Let's say you're going to interview. Okay. Use Ayyukum Ahmed. You want to call Ahmed. Ayyukum Ahmed. Who is Ahmed here? You understand? Oh, you can say Man minkum Ahmed. Man, who, minkum. Who is among you, Ahmed? That way. Okay. So here there are four things when it comes to the na'at should match with the noun. One is definiteness, Number 2, gender. Number 3, case. Raf, nasb, jar. There's a marfu, mansub, majroor. And the other one, singular, plural, plural, number. So now we are taking little different when it comes to the adjective. So far we studied adjective rational, just like human being, rational. Today, now we are going to study irrational, slight different. Okay, we say kitabun jadidun, a new book. Kitabani jadidani, because kitabani dual, jadidani dual, two books. Yeah. So here, when it comes to the plural, only the differences in the plural. The plural of kitab is kutub. You know, the plural of jadid is judud. You say, at-talibat al-judud, new students. At-tullab al-judud, new students. Al-muslimun al-judud, new Muslims. You understand? So, al-judud is the plural of new. But when it comes to irrational, you don't use the plural here. Okay? You say kutubun, what do you think we will use? Sorry? Kutubun, yeah, jadidun, but we use in the feminine form of singular. How it comes? Yeah. So then, complete one? Yeah, kutubun jadidatun. Understood? Kutubun jadidatun. You use the singular form but feminine for the irrational. Clear? Clear? Yeah. Is it clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Yeah. Next, sayyara means a car. Jamila, beautiful. Jamilun means beautiful. The feminine of Jamilun, Jamilatun. Because sayyara is feminine, you use the feminine, Jamilatun. Okay, sayyara Jamila, a beautiful car. If you want to say two beautiful cars, how do you say? You make it dual, you have to make everything dual. What do you say?
Sayyaratu
No,
Jamilat.
no, you make dual sayyara tani.
Sayyaratani
Mm.
Jamilat.
Mm.
Jamilatu.
No, Jamilatun plural. You have to make dual. You add
Jamilatani.
Jamilatani. So when it comes to dual, very easy. You put the alif lam end of the word, not in the middle. Just after the so Sayyaratani, Jamilatani. So when it comes to the plural of Sayyara is Sayyaratun. The plural of Jamila is Jamilatun. This is wrong. So what will we use? Where is a new beautiful cars?
Sayyaratun
Mm.
Jamilat.
Yeah, Sayyaratun Jamila. New cars. Clear? Yeah, so these are the lessons to be coming, inshallah, in the 16th lesson. So, الدرس السادس عشر, 16th lesson from Medina book. So, this is a conversation. Yeah, can you start? So, conversation الحوار بين المدرس ومحمد. طيب. Yeah, الحوار يعني discussion between المدرس ومحمد. طيب ابدأ بسم الله القراءة.
من هذه
لا لا أجد من هنا. هل قلت من؟
لمن
نعم. لمن؟
لمن هذه
مم.
أقلام يا محمد.
لمن هذه الأقلام يا محمد. Do you understand the rule? So أقلام pens. You understand? So rather than هؤلاء, they have used هذه, لمن
هذه
هذه الأكلام. You understand? Yeah. Muhammad.
يلي يا أستاذ.
Again?
هي
Mm.
يلي يا أستاذ.
Yeah. So what's the meaning here, Li Ya Ustaz? Translation? Yeah, before that, can you
دي-
translate the previous one?
أوكي. لمن هذه أقلام يا محمد.
Mm.
Where is do you spend Muhammad?
No, no. Liman means, man means who. Li means belongs to. Liman means belongs to whom.
Belong, belongs to whom يا
Yeah. So هذه الأقلام is,
هذه هذه أقلام. These pens.
yeah. So the full sentence,
These pens belongs to whom يا محمد.
yeah. So these pens belongs to whom? Oh, Muhammad. Yeah. Muhammad replies,
هي هي يا أستاذ.
yeah. Meaning,
It belongs to me يا أستاذ.
yeah. But here it doesn't give the meaning it. Why? So he's answering for the
He
question.
okay here this belongs to me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
these, so even these does not give the meaning of these. If it's this, you say هذه لي يا أستاذ. But he didn't say هذه لي. He said here. So it is from the pronoun. You have to take the meaning from the pronoun. You say they. Understand? They. Here use the meaning they belongs to me.
They belong to
Yeah. So, but he asked the question, are these? There are two types, like demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun, hada, hadihi, like this, that, these, those. But when it comes to the pronoun, it's like he, she, it, they. You understand? Just like that. So he replied in the. So the question was in demonstrative pronoun, but he answered in pronoun. You understand? Yeah. Next one.
هي جميلة جدا
جدا.
جدا.
Yeah, meaning?
They are very beautiful.
Yeah, they are very beautiful. طيب. استمر.
فهذه الكتب الجديدة هي لك.
Mm.
هذه in books so new.
Again, I think there's a small, your sound is little bit less.
And is the are these book also new?
No, it doesn't give that meaning.
هذه الكتب.
So,
These books are new.
mhm. Yeah,
هي
no, it's not these books are new, but it gives the meaning of adjective. In fact, it's kind of two sentence here. Now, can you try reading?
this
Okay. Mm.
these new books are
Yeah, and these new books.
in these new books
Mm.
are here
Yeah. So the A is for questioning.
are here like
Mm.
this is belongs to you.
Yeah. So
This is
here
belong
like not it because it's plural, right? It gives a meaning. Are they?
they belong to you.
Yeah. Are they belongs to you? Yeah. Next.
The yeah, Hamid.
Not just Hamid. There's another attached.
The Hamid.
The Hamid. Yeah. Meaning?
He, they
Not.
belong to Hamid.
No, they belongs to Hamid.
They belong to Hamid.
Yeah.
And Daftar Ya one.
Yeah. Ikhwan. Yeah, but not daftar. It's the plural of daftar that is written here.
Dafatir.
Yeah.
Dafatir.
Tirukum. Aina.
Where?
Yeah. Daftar means
Where
notebook.
not, where is your notebook, yeah, brother? One.
Yeah. So in fact, it's not is your notebook because it's plural. Where are your notebooks? Oh, brothers. Because dafatir is plural of daftar. Daftar, dafatir. Just like masjid, masajid. Daftar, dafatir. So you get familiar with this word, inshallah. Daftar, dafatir. So, أين دفاتركم يا إخوان? Where are your notebooks? إخوان, brothers. Oh, إخوان, oh, brothers. So, Ali replies,
هي هنا هذا المكتبة.
yeah, here هنا على هذا المكتب.
هي على هذا المكتب.
Yeah, meaning هنا means
On
what?
this table.
Yeah, هنا means هنا means here. In fact, when the Arabs they speak hina, they say hina. Okay, the correct one huna. So hunaka means there, huna means here. But here huna.
They are here.
Mm.
They are here on that table.
Yeah, on this table.
This
على هذا المكتب. نعم. التمارين exercise تأمل الأمثلة الآتية. تأمل means ponder, like contemplate. When you read something, yeah, you try to gain something from that one. Yeah, ta'ammal means not just reading. You're reading with caution to gain some different, how it is formed, to gain knowledge from reading. Like, so ta'ammal, there's the meaning ta'ammal. Al-amthila. Amthila is the plural of mithal. Mithal means example. Amthila means examples. Al-atya following. So ta'ammal al-mithal. Sorry, ta'ammal al-amthila al-atya. So here they have given al-mufrad singular, al-jam plural. Again al-mufrad, al-jam. Can you read this al-mufrad wal-jam here?
طالب جديد هو من أمريكا.
There's mufrad singular. The plural?
هؤلاء الطلاب
Tullabun.
طلاب.
Tullab is students, masculine. Sorry?
هم من أمريكا.
Yeah, hum min America. So what is the meaning of each sentence?
This boy, this new boy, he is from America.
Yeah, so first one, this is a new boy. He's from America. Yeah. Number two?
These are new boys.
So new students.
New students. They're from
Yeah, they're from America. So this is rational. So very clear. So next example, they have given irrational. Al-mufrad wal-jam. Mufrad singular, jam. Yeah, can you read now?
هذا كتاب جديد
Mm.
ومن
America. So the meaning?
is a new book.
Mm.
It's from America.
Yeah, and it is from America. Next one, Al-Jam.
هذه كتب
Jadidun is wrong.
جديدة
Mm.
هي من أمريكا.
Mm. Meaning?
Stop.
Sorry?
Sorry, no.
Ah.
These are new books.
Mm.
They're from America.
Yeah, they are from America. So حول المبتدأ في كل من الجمل الآتية إلى جمع. So حول means change. We'll take the examples here. Example here, مثال, example, هذا بيت. This is a house. But when it is plural, you say هذه بيوت. These are houses. So this is the house becomes these are houses. They didn't use هذا هؤلاء, but they use هذا هذه. So these are houses. So what they say here, حول, transfer, change, المبتدا, the subject. So هذا is subject. So here هذه is subject. Change. في كل, في means in, كل means each, of, من means of. الجمل, الجمل means sentences. جملة, جملة means a sentence. الجمل is the plural of sentence. الجمل الآتية, following sentences, إلى, to, جمع. جمع means plural. So you have to do the other one. So yeah, you have to start reading and making the plural. Plural is given, in the side, but those plural are broken plural. You understand? So
Okay.
yeah, you can read transferring.
هذا نجم.
Mm.
This is a star.
Mm.
هذه نجوم.
Mm.
These are star.
Yeah,
They are star.
stars. No, these are
They are
stars.
stars.
No,
These are
they
stars.
is these are stars. Yeah.
These are stars.
Mm.
هذا درس.
Mm.
درس.
That means lesson. You say
Lesson.
الدرس الأول. Yeah.
This is a lesson.
Mm.
هذه دروس.
Mm.
These are lessons.
Yeah.
هذا قلم.
Mm.
This is pen.
This.
هذه أقلام. These are
Mm.
pens.
Yeah.
هذا باب. This is a
Mm.
door. هذه أبواب. These are
Mm.
doors.
Yeah.
هذا نهر.
Mm.
This is fire.
No, Nahru means river.
River.
Yeah.
Fire. نهر.
Yeah, there is
نهر.
Narun. Yeah.
نهر. Okay. هذا نهر. What is mean by نهر?
Nahru means
What is the
river.
meaning?
River.
River.
Mm.
This is river. هذه أنهار. These are rivers.
Yeah, very nice. Anhar you will find in the Quran. I forgot the ayahs, like, in the Jannah, behind,
أنهار
beneath
خالدين
them,
فيها.
Anhar Khalidin fiha. So Anhar rivers, Khalidin means Khalidun, Khalidani, Khalidune. So the Khalidun becomes Khalidine. Khalidi means like not Khal, right? Khalid. I don't know the exact word. It means permanently living there, resident, permanent resident. Fiha, in it, in the Jannah. Yeah. Halidin fiha. Yeah. Next one.
هذا جبل.
Mm.
This is a mountain, mount,
Yeah.
camel,
Jabal means mountain.
mountain. هذا جبل. This is mountain. هذه جبال. These are mountain.
Mm.
هذه كلب.
Mm.
This is a dog. هذه كلاب. These are dogs.
Yeah.
هذا بحر. بحر means
Sea, ocean,
sea.
ocean. Yeah.
Ocean. هذا بحر. This is ocean.
Mm.
هذه بحار. These are oceans.
Yeah.
هذا كتاب. This is a book. هذه كتب. These are books. هذا حمار. This is a donkey. هذه حمر. These are donkeys.
Yeah.
هذا سرير. This is a bed. هذه سرور. These are beds.
Mm.
هذا دفتر. This is a notebook. هذه دفاتر. دفاتر. These are notebooks.
Yeah, dafatiru.
هذا
Yeah, after this one, you see dafatiru, makatibu, fanadiku. These are mamnu min as-sarf. It doesn't take tanween.
هذا مكتب. This is a table. هذا مكاتب. These are tables. هذه مكاتب. These are
Mm.
tables.
Yeah, it's a
هذا
makatibu.
فندق. مكاتب.
Mm.
هذا فندق.
Fundukun.
hospital.
No, funduk means
Fridge.
hotel. No, no, hotel.
Hotel.
Funduk. Yeah.
هذا فندق. This is hotel.
Yeah.
هذه فنادق. These are hotels.
Mm.
هذه ساعة. This is a watch. هذه ساعة. These are for this one both come هذه.
Sorry?
For this one both come هذه.
Yeah, because watch is not rational, right? That is for only rational, like human being, rational being. So watch is irrational, right? Not only, not a human being, not a thinking one. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, even the pattern will be like plural is same when it comes. This is sound plural, sa'atun sa'atun. So that's why you are asking. But sa'a is not. It's just a watch, right? So it's irrational. You understand? غير عاقل. Like it's not a thinking rational being, right? Yeah. So then it should be هذه. The word is خالدين فيها, not خالدين. خالدين. So like I say. وبشر الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أن لهم جنات. So أن لهم for the صالحين. أن لهم for them جنات gardens. تجري means flowing. من تحتها under the gardens تجري flowing. الأنهار the rivers. Understand? So خالدين فيها, they live in it. خالدين like permanent livers. Understand? So this one, yeah.
هذه سيارة.
Mm.
هذه سيارات.
Yeah.
هذه طائرة.
Mm.
هذه طائرات.
Yeah, what's the meaning طائرة?
طائرة airport.
No, مطار is airport.
Flight.
Yeah. Next one.
This is a flight. These are flights.
Yeah.
ذلك نجم. That is a star.
Mm.
تلك نجوم.
Mm.
These are those.
No. Yeah.
Those are stars.
Yeah.
تلك سيارة.
Mm.
تلك سيارات.
Yeah, تلك سيارة. So next one أشر إلى الأسماء الآتية يعني question.
أشر إلى
Yeah.
الأسماء
Yeah, can
أسماء
yeah, you can read.
الآتية اسم إشارة مناسب القريب.
هذا yeah they
هذا
have
هذه هؤلاء.
yeah. So they are telling to use this هذا هذه هؤلاء accordingly. First one أشر إلى الأسماء. أشر means direct, indicate.
Correct.
From that word only اسم الإشارة يعني هذا هذه هؤلاء. إشارة. Ism means known. Ishara means indicating, right? So ashir is from that one. It's a word and commanding. Ashir, like refer to. Ashir ila means refer to. Al asma means name. Al atiya following names. The names are given. So ashir ila al asma il atiya. So refer direct to the
Before the
following
following
names.
nouns.
Yeah. B means with. And the other one? Bismi ishara. Yeah, with the
with a name.
yeah demonstrative pronoun. Ismi ishara means demonstrative with the demonstrative pronoun. Munasiban means munasibin. Ismi isharatin munasibin. Munasibin means suitable.
Suitable.
Yeah. And lil karib. So ismi ishara demonstrative pronouns of near. Lil karib. So hada is near. This. Hadihi this near. Haulai these near. So you have to use the near, the demonstrative pronouns of near. Okay. Yeah, you can try.
هذا رجل.
Mm.
هؤلاء رجال.
Mm.
هذا كلب.
Mm.
هذه كلاب.
Yeah.
هذه دروس.
Mm.
هذه مدرسة. هؤلاء مدرسون.
Yeah.
هؤلاء أخوات.
أخواتي. Mm.
أخواتي.
Yeah.
هذه أقلام.
Mm.
هذا كتاب.
Mm.
هذه سيارات. سيارات.
Mm.
هذه سيارة.
Mm.
هذا حمار.
Mm.
هذا كتاب.
Mm.
هذه حمر.
Mm. Yeah.
هذه عين.
Mm. Why هذه عين؟
This is a dual. There
No.
is one.
Yeah, why did you use?
Anything dual, it's feminine, right?
Yeah, yeah, alhamdulillah. Yeah.
The true.
You're right.
هذه طبيبة.
Mm.
هؤلاء طبيبات.
Yeah. So next one also same question. You can read the heading except for this one. Lil ba'id. Lil ba'id. So demonstrative pronoun of far. Yeah. You can read.
إلى الأسماء الآتية.
Yeah. Ila. Yeah. After ila al asma'i kasra, right?
الأسماء
Mm.
الآتية اسم إشارة مناسب للبعيد.
Mm.
أشر إلى refer to.
Mm.
معه
Al
noun.
asma'i.
الأسماء nouns. أسماء الآتية
Mm.
demonstrating now.
No, no. Atiya means following.
following.
Mm.
أشر إلى refer to this الأسماء
Mm.
words al-atiyati below. Bismil isharati demonstrated now.
Yeah, with the demonstration.
With the demonstrated now. Nasiban below.
No, munasib means suitable demonstrative pronoun.
Suitable.
Yeah, munasib is an adjective to ism ishara.
Suitable. Lil ba'id. Far.
Yeah,
Far.
li means for here, for of far.
Lil
Okay.
ba'id.
Yeah, you know, ismu
Dali.
ishara. Yeah, one minute. Ismu ishara means demonstrative pronoun. Okay, it has two meaning. Ismu isharatin. Ism name. Ishara like demonstration, like indicating, demonstrating. So ismu ishara demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so this is mudaf and this is mudaf ilayh. Ismu isharatin. Ismu is mudaf, isharatin mudaf ilayh. So munasibin is adjective. So suitable demonstrative pronoun. My question is, munasibun is masculine, munasibatun is feminine. Here, this suitable goes to ishara or ism. Mostly it should go to one word, ism. Why?
Ism. Because that is
Masculine.
masculine.
Yeah, so ism is masculine, so munasib is masculine. So if it is ishara, munasibatin, right? So the rule one is correct. Number two, it is singular and this is singular. Okay. And the other one, ismu isharatin. So bismi, because of the ba, it becomes bismi. The meme taking kasra. So isharatin taking kasratain. Okay, whatever. Anyhow, it is majroor, right? So munasibin or munasiban or munasibun.
Nasibin.
Munasibin. Because it should follow the case of the no. Yeah. Yeah, you can continue.
Dalika. This. Tilka. That. Ulaika. Those.
No, again, dalika.
Dalika. That. Tilka. That feminine.
Yeah.
Ulaika. Those. Dalika. Talibu. That is a student.
Yeah.
Ulaika tullabun. Those are students. Dalika najmu. That is a star. Tilka nujumun. Those are stars.
Yeah.
Tilka bintun. That is the daughter. Laika banatun. Those are daughters.
Yeah.
That tilka darrajatun.
Yeah. The Raja is bicycle.
Tilka darrajatun. That is a bicycle.
Yeah.
Tilka darrajatun. Those are bicycles. Dalika sarirun. It's bed.
Yeah. Absolutely. Okay.
Tilka surur. Dalika sururun.
No, Dhalika Surur is wrong. Surur is the plural of Sarir.
Okay. Tilka sururun. Those are beds. Tilka dajjadatun.
Dajjajatun, yeah.
Dajjadatun.
What's the meaning? Dajaja.
Apple?
Again?
Apple? Apple, huh?
No, Dajaja is chicken. Sorry, hen.
Hen. Oh.
Yeah. You know the difference between chicken and hen. Hen is alive. Chicken, mostly, the meat. Okay, but in Arabic, dajaja is alive, hen. What do we say? Meat, chicken in Arabic.
Give me a second.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah. So what do you say like chicken in Arabic? The
Faham.
meat.
Faham.
Hmm?
Faham. Faham.
Yeah, la, not fahm. Fahm is a kind of frying thing. It is after
Uh,
making.
uh,
You just remove the ta. Dajajatun is hen. Dajaj means chicken.
chicken.
Dajaj. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Fahm is like shawaya. Fahm, you know the different. Fahm is like barbecue.
Barbecue. Barbecue.
Yeah. Shawaya is a little
Grill, na?
different. Yeah, grill. Yeah. Mm.
The Tilka Madrasatun. That is a
Yeah.
school.
Mm. Yeah, this is mudarrisatun because it takes kasra here. Mudarrisatun,
Uh,
teacher.
Tilka Madrasatun. This is teacher.
Yeah.
Ulaika Mudarrisatun.
Mm.
Those are teachers. Til Dalika Hajjun.
Yeah, Hajj. Hajj, the one who performs, he's a pilgrim.
Sorry?
The one who do the Hajj is a
Uh,
Hajj. Yeah, if you go to Umrah, they say,
Tilka
yeah,
Hajjun.
Hajj. Yeah. Mm. Not
Tilka
tilka.
Hajjun.
Dalika. Yes.
Dalika Hajjun.
Mm.
Haulaiki Hajjajun.
Yeah, Hujjajun.
Ulaika Hujjajun.
Mm. So we are Hujjaj. What do you say?
Huma Hujjaj. La
No.
Huna.
لا لا V. أنا means I. V.
Nahun.
نحن حجاج. Yeah.
Nahunu Hujjaj. Dalika Masjidun.
Mm.
Tilka Sayyaratun.
Yeah. So here أسماء الإشارة للقريب وأسماء الإشارة للبعيد. So this is for القريب near. So this is very simple. هذا is this. هذه also this near. So هذا طالب هذه طالبة. هؤلاء طلاب هؤلاء طالبات. So you studied ذلك this for ذلك طالب تلك طالبة. That and those. أولئك طلاب أولئك طالبات. Yeah. So أسماء الإشارة للقريب. Okay. The same. هذا هذه but غير آكل. What's the meaning غير آكل? آكل is rational. غير means none. Is in غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. In سورة الفاتحة اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين is اهدنا guide us صراط المستقيم. صراط المستقيم straight path. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين the path of those who أنعمت it means you bestowed عليهم upon them. So guide us to the path of those whom you guided. Sorry, you bestowed upon. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم أنعمت عليهم. Then you say غير المغضوب عليهم. مغضوب means anger. Okay, عليهم means upon them. So you say غير means none, not none. You say غير المغضوب, not of those your anger is upon. So the path that we are asking from Allah is we are telling Allah not of the path your anger is upon them. They say غير المغضوب. So غير means none or not. From the same word غير العاقل. عاقل means a rational being, human being, thinking being. That's called عاقل. عقل means rational. The mind. It's called عقل. Okay. So عاقل
It
is
also
a
Abdullah.
sorry. That is
It
عقل. Hamza. This is عين.
Ain.
عقل. عين عقل.
Okay.
Yeah. There is Hamza. عقل. عقل is eating.
Mm.
Yeah. أبا غير العاقل. غير العاقل means non-rational.
Understand.
It's a غير المسلمين. Non-Muslimin. غير مسلم. Non-Muslim. Okay. غير العاقل. So he أسماء الإشارة للبعيد. So this is what we studied today. هذا بيت. هذه سيارة. And the plural بيوت, you say هذه بيوت. هذه سيارات. Yeah. ذلك بيت. تلك سيارة. You say تلك بيوت. تلك سيارات. So this is studied. Alhamdulillah. I think with this we finish. Yeah. We have completed lesson number 16 from the book. Yeah. We'll continue from Al Arabiya Banid where we stop. I'll just put the mark here. Next class. Next class we need to take from the sentence formation. The main thing that I want to increase the classes before you go on vacation. There is to teach you how to take from past to present. That one. Once you that cover, the basic foundation is covered. If you have enough time, I will explain a little bit from more than three letter verbs, because you used in the present and the future more than three letter verbs. So if I introduce little bit from the past, more than three letter verbs, it's easy for you to grasp, inshallah. Yeah. So mark before continuing. I'll take hint number 6, page number 140. It's better type. And continue from here. الحوار الثالث and 48. Yeah. الحوار الثالث. Third conversation. Let me check a little bit. I think sometime we may study new in it. Yeah. So yeah, unzur. Unzur command. We studied command, right? From the word nazara means he looked. Unzur. The first letter is you put the alif, it becomes unzur, look. Okay. Wastami'. So istami', listen. Wa'id. A'id means repeat. Yeah. Yeah. هذا حوار بين صادق وصابر. So discussion between صادق and صابر. Yeah. Can you continue reading?
صادق. هذا عدنان 3.
لا.
أذان
هذا
العصر. هذا أذان العصر. This is the أذان for عصر.
Yeah.
هيا بنا إلى المسجد.
So the word hayya bina means let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, hayya bina means let's go. Ilal masjid, to the sun. So if you want to say let's go to the playground, what do you say?
هيا بنا إلى
Ilal mal'ab. Mal'ab means playground. Yeah, if you want to say let's go to a restaurant.
هيا بنا إلى الفندق.
Fanduk is hotel. Restaurant is مطعم.
مطعم.
Yeah, هيا بنا إلى المطار. Yeah. Next.
أنا أصلي في البيت.
Mm.
I will pray at home.
Yeah.
صلاة في المسجد الأفضل.
So أفضل means
أفضل
أفضل means something better. يعني هذا أفضل، يعني القهوة أفضل من الشاي. That means the coffee is better than the tea.
tea.
بالنسبة نعم. الصلاة في المسجد. Prayer in the masjid أفضل is better. If you want to add من الصلاة في البيت. Yeah, better than the prayer at home.
صادق. المسجد بعيد. The masjid is far.
Mm.
المسجد قريب. المسجد قريب. المسجد قريب.
Mm.
The masjid is near.
Yeah.
هل أنت مريض؟
Yeah, this one in this book, don't say مريض قريب. You just stop like المسجد قريب. هل أنت مريض?
أنت مريض؟ Are you sick?
Yeah. So when he said like al masjid ba'id, he says masjid is far. He said you're telling al masjid kareeb. The masjid is near. هل أنت مريض? Are you sick? Just like that. You understand?
sick.
Mm.
صادق. لا أنا بخير.
Mm.
Okay.
No, I'm
أنت
good.
كسلان.
Mm. Mm.
I'm good. أنت كسلان.
أنت
كسلان.
كسلان. You just stop. أنت كسلان.
أنت كسلان.
Yeah, what's the
كسلان
meaning
means
كسلان? Lazy.
he studied.
Mm.
أنت كسلان. Are you lazy?
No, it's
هذا
you are
صحي.
lazy. Yeah, أنت كسلان.
You are
You are
lazy. Yeah.
lazy. Mm.
You are lazy. هذا صحيح. هذا
No,
صحيح.
no, just stop.
هذا
هذا
صحيح.
mm.
صحيح. آسف.
آسف. Yeah. Meaning?
هذا صحيح. That's true.
Mm.
This is true.
Yeah, this is true.
آسف.
Asif means I am sorry.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. There are different meaning. Like either Asif means I am sorry. Sorry, it gives the meaning sorry. And you say Afwan, also sorry. And you can like you like forgive me. How do you say? Samihni.
سامح.
Yeah, there was a video
Uh,
in
that's a
YouTube.
name called
Eh?
Asif, right? Asif. Asif. Is it
Yeah,
different?
Asif. So
I
Asif.
have a lot of friends. Their name Asif.
I don't know exactly
Maybe
whether.
different. Huh?
No, sometimes the letter changes, meaning
Letter
changes.
changes and
Yeah, so this is seen Asif. So I don't know about the Asif. So yeah, I don't know.
Tab Tabir. أنا
Mm.
ذاهب إلى المسجد.
Mm.
ذهب went.
Yeah,
ذاهب gone.
yeah. Now the word comes. This is a kind of pattern, like fa'il pattern. You know the word fa'ala. Let
فعل.
me.
Okay.
Yeah, you know. So if we type here, is it fa'ala? Three letters, right? Fa'ala means he did.
Yeah.
From this
He
one, you put an alif after the first letter. It becomes fa'il.
fa'il.
Fa'il means doer, the one who does the action. Okay. So for example, they say kataba. What's the meaning kataba?
كتب.
He
Right.
he
Right.
wrote.
Hero.
You know, a writer is called katib. Katib. You understand?
Right.
Yeah, the pattern, if it comes in that pattern, katib. When you say surah here, kul ya ayyuhal kafirun. Okay, kul say ya ayyuhal kafirun, O disbelievers. La a'budu. A'budu means I worship. A'budu, Hamza. Okay, so ya'budu, he worship. Ta'budu, she worship. Or ta'budu, you worship. Ta'budine, you worship, feminine. A'budu, I worship. Na'budu, we worship. So la a'budu, I don't worship. Ma ta'budun. Qul ya ayyuhal kafirun la a'budu ma ta'budun. Ma means what? Ta'budun. We didn't study the plural. Ta'budun means just like Muslimun, Muslimani, Muslimune. Muslimune, just like ta'budu. Ta'budu becomes ta'budune. That's plural. Very easy. We'll study later. Okay, ma ta'budun, what you all worship. Wala, and I am, wala ana, abidun, just like fa'il, katib. Wala ana abid, I am not a worshipper. From the word abada. Abada means worshipping. Okay, so wala ana abidun, from that you put alif, abid. Wala ana abidun ma abadtum, I'm not a worshipper of what you worshipped. You understand the meaning? Yeah. So the word fa'il gives the meaning like a doer. So it gives most of the time adjective meaning, or sometimes the one who just like adjective meaning, sometimes the doer meaning, like katib, writer, abid, worshipper. Abid, al-farq bayna alim wal abid. You understand? So abid is a worshipper, alim is an alim, alim, right? A scholar, the one who studied. Okay, alim. والفرق بين عالم والعابد. You understand? There is explaining the one who does an action from that one, and it gives another sifa meaning, like ana dhahib, I'm going. From the word dhahaba, he went. Dhahib, going. Okay, so going doesn't mean like yadhabu. Yadhabu is he's going. Present continued. It's not that present continued meaning. It gives the meaning of like adjective, kind of adjective. You understand? Ana dhahib, I'm going ila masjid. For example, you say, I come to say something, brother, you know this and this, okay, but you say, ana arif, ana arif. Arafa means I got to know. For example, the arif, I know. You say, ana arif, I know. For example, araf, from the word arafa. Arafa means he got to know. Sorry. Arafa means he got to know. You put alif, arif means like the one who knows. Okay, you say, ana arif, I know. Understand? هل أنت عارف? Do you know? Rather than you asking هل أنت تعرف? تعرف verb. Do you know? Or you can say هل أنت عارف? Do you know? In an adjective form. You understand? Just like that. أنا ذاهب. I'm going إلى المسجد. Yeah. Yeah.
I going masjid.
Yeah, I'm going to masjid.
Intalir ana hadibun ma'aka.
Yeah. انتظر means what? انتظر means he is wait. انتظر, he waited. ينتظر, he is waiting. Yeah. From the word ينتظر, ينتظر, he is waiting. So انتظر means it's a command. Wait.
Wait, I will come.
Yeah. أنا ذاهب معك. Yeah. I will come with you. I am going with you. I'm coming with you. Yeah. So we studied earlier, here present and future studied. We studied negative imperative like لا تذهب, لا تشرب, لا تأكل, لا تنتظر, don't wait. Okay, and they studied command imperative like انتظر, wait, اشرب, drink, اجلس, sit. We studied that one. You can revise a little bit from the PDF, quickly. Yeah. So Yeah. So انتظر means wait. Okay. أنا ذاهب معك.
أنا ذاهب معك.
Yeah. So ينتظر, he is waiting. ينتظر, he is waiting. What do you do to make it command? You just remove this. You just remove this jar and put an alif. ينتظر becomes انتظر, and you put a sukun at the ending. انتظر. And the ينتظر becomes انتظر. صحيح means correct. Okay. قريب means near. بعيد means far. مريض means sick. كسلان lazy. لاهب going. آسف, sorry. آسف, I'm sorry. Okay. تدريب in exercise. أجب بنعم أو بلا. There's a link أجب answer with, B means with, نعم with yes. If it's نعم, you put at the علامة, the sign of this one. أو means O. B with لا, no. No, you put this sign. Okay, yeah. Can you read one by one and say correct or wrong?
هذا الحوار في الصباح. في
في
الصباح.
الصباح. Yeah. What's the meaning في الصباح? في الصباح means Fajr time, morning time. Yeah. What did you understand from the question? What's the meaning of the question?
هذا الحوار في الصباح. Is that related to صباح?
Yeah, but what's the meaning هذا?
هذا this.
الحوار. حوار is we always read the heading here. الحوار الأول, الحوار الثاني. Conversation. Yeah, discussion, conversation, talking. There is الحوار. So they say you have to put character wrong. Okay. هذا الحوار في الصباح. What's the meaning?
This conversation about to.
Yeah, is in the morning. في الصباح. في means yeah, in the morning. Is it in the morning? Because they are talking about which salah? La, because they are talking about Asr. Yeah. Next one.
هذا الحوار في البيت.
Yeah. What's the meaning?
This conversation in house. Yes.
Yeah. Next one.
صابر يصلي في المسجد.
Yeah. Is it Sabir? Sabir. لا. No. Is it المسجد? Yeah. Fourth one.
صادق يصلي في البيت.
لا. Sadiq prays in the masjid.
صادق pray in house.
Is it Sadiq? Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Next one.
المسجد قريب من البيت. لا.
No, صحيح. I think the other person said بعيد, but in fact it is قريب. Because yeah, he says that المسجد بعيد, but Sabi says no, المسجد قريب. هل أنت مريض? Are you sick? So, but here they say المسجد بعيد, but المسجد. You said صح, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You're right. Okay. قريب. Yeah. Next.
صابر مريض. لا. صادق كسلان. نعم. ذهب صادق مع صابر إلى المسجد. نعم.
Yeah. Salatul this one, Salatul Isha prayer, Salatul Asr prayer, Salatul Maghrib prayer, Salatul Fajr prayer, Salatul Zuhur prayer, Zuhur Asr. Yeah, we'll continue from this one in the next class. So 142 is studied. 42, yeah. Yeah, Wednesday is fine for you, right? Inshallah?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. So far, we have studied. I just took the calculation of days. We have taken all together 23 days of lessons. 23 days. In average, it'll take including today. For example, 23. We'll divide like let's say 4 days, 4 weeks a month. So we have covered like around 5.5 months. But in fact, it's less than 5.5 months. Mostly average over 5 months in average, because or average 5 months, because some months if you take like more than 4 weeks. Okay, but we took more than 5 weeks. Okay, because of we took holidays and sometimes some classes get cancelled. But if we have studied like 5 months of lesson. But if you cover in a different way, for example, now I started for new batch, 2 weeks, 2 days a week. That means like your lesson will be covered in like 2.5 months. Yeah, but that doesn't suit for everyone. The problem is, many people work, they miss the class. That is the issue. If it is one day, they try to, manage. The 2 days class not suitable for everyone. That's the issue. Let's see. Yeah. So, any question? Yeah, anything to ask? Yeah, day after tomorrow, not day after tomorrow. 2 days after tomorrow,
2 days.
on Wednesday, inshallah. Yeah. I will wind up. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.